Beauty with Brains. Kareena Kapoor, I'm right now with her, but you've always said that Saif has been the most desirable man for you, and we'd like to know why, because all those men there would like to know what is it to be desired by Kareena Kapoor.
Actually, the general quality that I like in a man is a good sense of humor. He must have, of course, a lot of wit. And I like intelligent men, you know.
Right.
Having a strong mind is something that, kind of really does that for me.
Kareena, so when you were in high school, I'm sure even back then, you've always been very beautiful. So the kind of proposals you've got.
I was not really beautiful. I was actually really round and, yeah, I was more on the cute side, I think, because obviously I had, big cheeks and fair and whatever. Yeah, but it's okay. I mean, my cheeks are still, I think that's also a little bit of my USP, which is there since Refugee, and now I'm happy being more voluptuous, and I think so does the world prefer that, most of the men and women. And in school, yeah, I was just round. Not exactly like sexy and beautiful.
But I'm sure in the Rose Day, Valentine's Day, Kareena Kapoor got some proposals and all coming from all there.
I don't know. I'm sure.
You're the
I
one,
did.
you remember?
No, but I think I did. I was like, yeah. I get a lot of roses, that's for sure. I mean, more than I get now.
Can't be. We heard Saif is quite the romantic.
Well, I mean, yeah, he is romantic and he's very sweet. He spoils me, gets a lot of presents and stuff. But yeah, it's been a while actually. I've also been busy since the last 2 years, so much. There's not been really too much time.
Saif also claims that you look best only with him.
I agree, and especially I think in Agent Vinod, the kind of feedback that we've got for the promo is pretty phenomenal. So of course, I think I make a great pair with him too.
Thank you so much, Kareena, for being here, and congratulations once again. India's most desirable woman, ladies and gentlemen. Rudrani Chaturaj with Cameron Pramod. Zoom.